Hi! Now I'm going to tell you about 3 different ways to put on a slide-on to the zipper. The first way is, for instance, if you have a jacket, that's normal. You just click it onto the side and then you close the zipper just as normal by sticking in the other part, just as you normally do. Another way is if the zipper looks like this, so they are attached somewhere, then you just take the slide-on, you put it into the cross or the place where the zipper is still closed. And you just click it together and you can close the zipper. Very easy. Sometimes you can have a situation when the side of the zippers are completely detached and there is no natural way to start it. Then you just cross the sides, you put the slide-on into the cross and then you just click it together and you can close the zipper. Very easy. So good luck and thank you.